Hey everyone, it's Kevin from Sugar Maple Farmhouse, and today we are going to make a puzzle board. Alright, so for the materials, first you're going to need some sanded plywood. This is 4 feet by 2 feet, and we're going to cut that down to size. This is the trim that's going to be the border around the puzzle board. You can get this pre-cut at the hardware store. We're just going to cut it down a little bit as well. Handles, this is just normal cabinet handles. We're going to put this on both sides of the puzzle board so you can pick it up and put it down. And then lastly, to glue the trim to the board, we've got just some standard wood glue. So let's get started. All right, the first step is to measure the plywood so that we can cut it down to size. We want our puzzle board to fit in between our posts of our table, so we're going to cut it to 33 inches by 24 inches. Typical puzzle boards are 36 inches by 26 inches, so choose the right size for you. All right, once you've got it measured, you're just going to cut it. Either use a table saw or I'm just going to use a circular saw. All right, now that it's cut, sand on the edge so it's smooth, just like the other sides of the board. The next step is to cut the trim that's going to go along the border of the puzzle board. We're going to use a miter saw to do that. All right, now that we've got the trim cut to size, we're now just going to angle cut them to 45 degrees so they all fit together. Now that the trim is cut, we can glue it to the board. Great. You should wait at least 30 minutes for the glue to dry. We're going to wait overnight so that we come back tomorrow and stain the board. All right, we're back. It's been 2 days. The glue is dried, and now it's time to put the stain on. All right, now it's time to drill some holes for the handles. So first, from the back, I'm going to measure so that the handle's in the center of the board. I'm going to countersink the holes so that I can hide the bottom ends of the screws. All right guys, the puzzle board's complete. I think it looks great. Let me know your feedback in the comments below. Also, hit the subscribe button to follow along with everything we're doing here at Sugar Maple Farmhouse. Thanks.